Welcome to the LG Customer Support channel. This short video will show you how to use the Favorite feature on your LG double oven gas range. The Favorite feature on your LG double oven gas range can be used to store up to 3 of your favorite most commonly used temperature settings for the lower oven. Press the Favorite button 3 times to scroll through all of the preset favorites. To overwrite one of the favorites, simply scroll to the temperature that you would like to overwrite, enter the desired temperature using the number pads, and press the Start button. Once you press the Start button, the oven will turn on. If you do not wish to cook at this time, press the lower Clear Off button. To use one of your favorites, press the Favorite button repeatedly until the appropriate favorite temperature displays on the screen, and press the Start button. After the preheat indicator sounds, turn it off by pressing the Timer On/Off button, open the oven door, place your food in the oven, set the timer, and press Start. Please note that the Favorite feature cannot be used for delay start cooking.